Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. In this video we're going to be making a seashell vase, okay, for someone. So we're going to start out with the gluing. Let's jump right into the project. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'll be using. Now at the Dollar Tree we have a variety of different kinds of seashells, but we'll be using these two. And this is the tag, okay? So we're going to be using these. I absolutely love these guys. I don't know if you could see really well how beautiful they are. And then we're going to be using these. Okay? So we will be using this Loctite clear silicone waterproof sealant. This works very well. And we may be embellishing with these border stickers. I got this in the Crafter Square. The vase itself, it's a fluid vase. I got this at the Dollar Tree also. So everything I'm using to create this craft is down in the description box below. So let's jump right into the project, guys. So let me just spread out some of these shells. These shells look pretty big. Some of them are cracked, which is perfectly fine. Because the seashells are not perfect. And then we're going to place some of these. So just kind of place some of them down. We're going to start from the bottom, and I am going to work my way up all the way to the top. Well, we'll see how many seashells I have. We'll kind of work with that, and whatever we have is what we're going to use. I think I may have an extra bag, but let's just start out this way. Okay, and it doesn't matter what direction you go in. almost done. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this. Oh my goodness. I just need to take the glue strings off. But that's absolutely stunning. Okay guys, let me just clean this up and I'll be right back with you. This was a bowl in the dish section of the Dollar Tree. I turned it upside down. We're going to use it as a stand to place that vase up on top of, okay? I spray painted it in the seafoam green. So we're going to be using that as the stand. So let's place some pearls on here. And then we'll be done. And honestly, you can place this anywhere. Little accents of pearls. I try to take off all those glue strings and I have to go back and take them off again, but that's pretty much okay. I don't think I want to add too much to that. I already did the shells all the way up to the top. Guys, this piece is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice at all. Look at that. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use the fixed all adhesive. Move this out of the way. So you can see up here that this is the rim that's high. So we're going to do some fixed all adhesive on both sides and then the hot glue just to keep it in place until it completely dries is what we're going to do. The fixed all adhesive you can find at the Dollar Tree. Like I said, guys, after this dries, I'll go back, make sure the glue strings are all off. You know, it just, it's just absolutely stunning, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video.